Today I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be making slime with some glue, shaving cream, and lotion. So yeah, I haven't been posting in a long time, but that's because I've been busy with school stuff, and yeah. So I'll be back because I'm gonna be more good for this slime. So guys, as you can tell, I got some more glue. And so the first thing you're gonna do is that first thing you're gonna do is some glue. And make sure you have a little glue. It also says and then yeah. So I'm gonna use a little bit of glue. But y'all, it's barely. So making it a little bit, and I made another batch. So yeah, and then I'm gonna start on my last one because yeah, well, so I'm getting all the rest of the glue I made with my slime. So the tip, I'm not gonna make it, but what do you want to? You could use any type of lotion. But I think you can use any type of lotion or just. Well, the only thing I use is this and some shaving cream. And you could use like Nicoletta's sun glue and yeah. They got it. I'm gonna go get my nail back. I'm gonna keep my other stuff. So my another batch is right here, and I only want to make it a little bit. I don't want to make that much. And I should never put that much mustard because yeah. Sorry, I'm talking to my dad on my phone, and yeah. So comment down below if you wanna learn, if you want to do like another tutorial how to make this slime. And you can use clear glue. You can use any kind of glue. It doesn't matter which one it is. And yeah. So yeah, I'm done with this. Hey guys, that is how you make this is how you make slime like with glue, lotion, and shaving cream, and it's easy. All you have to do is just add glue first, and then lotion, stir it, and then put shaving cream. It's gonna turn into slime. Don't mind my eye right here because it's awesome. Make sure you like this video because I haven't been back on YouTube in a long time. I'm going to be posting every week, certain weeks. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I want to get to 20 subscribers, like fast, please. And make sure you comment down below if you want me to do a tutorial on this app. Not on this app, but on how to make the slime. Bye, y'all.